Bonifacio Camacho National High School, Abukay, Bataan. I'm your researcher of the project entitled Magnetite Sand as Heat Maintenance in the Cooking Contraption of Steam Rice Cake. It's been a bare month, right? Speaking of bare months, it's a common notion that Christmas is fast approaching.
And with Christmas, we are not only excited on the birth of our Savior, but typical of the traditions and food prepared for Christmas. One of those are everybody's favorite, the steamed rice cakes in a bamboo tube, or also known as puto bumbong.
Many stores of puto bumbong start opening when the bare month started. Puto bumbong is a popular variety of native delicacy, especially for those people who are attending simbang gabi. It is very delicious, especially when it is served hot.
Cooking, selling, and eating of puto bumbong add color to the celebration of Christmas and the holding of simbang gabi. Traditionally, cooking of this delicacy need firewood as fuel. In the modern times, instead of using firewood, the store owners use LPG as fuel for many practical reasons. Puto bumbong is tastier when it is served hot. That's why the store owner cook it only when there are already customers. When time comes that there will be no more customer, the owner turns the stove off, causing the water of the puto bumbong steamer to be cold. Once there are customers again, the cooking stove will be turned on again, causing too much utilization of the LPG since the steamer needs to boil its water again to cook the puto bumbong.
This practice causes extra expenses for the store owner in terms of fuel, because once they turn off the stove, the heat absorbed by the steamer loses gradually. From this observation, the researcher thought of adding materials to the existing part of the steamer
that will hold or inhibit the lowering of the steamer's temperature by trapping the heat once the stove is turned off.
And that material that the researcher utilized are the magnetite sands.
Magnetic sand, or also known as iron sand or margaha sand, are present in the beaches of Morong, Bataan. Scientifically, it is a ferromagnetic mineral with chemical formula Fe3O4. Magnetite is one of the iron sand and commonly used in the creation of steel. It has many other industrial uses.
For the statement of the problem, this study aims to determine the effect of the magnetite sand as heat maintenance in the cooking contraption of the steamed rice cake.
Specifically, it seeks answer to the following questions. Number 1. How long does it take for the steamer with magnetite sand to boil water compared to the ordinary steamer? Number 2. How long does it take for the steamer with magnetite sand to cool down the temperature of water of project steamer compared to the commercial puto bumbong steamer? Number 3. Is there a significant difference in the cooking time of puto bumbong using the project steamer and the commercial steamer?
An applied method of research is used in this study. The following procedures are implemented and conducted. The following graphs reveal the result of the experiment conducted.
At the start, it took only 14 minutes for the water to boil in the ordinary steamer, while it took 16 minutes for the water in the steamer with magnetite sand to boil. The adjustable heat control is at medium control. After scrutinizing the result of the experimentation using several attempts, the researcher concluded therefore the following. Number 1. At the start, the water boils faster in the commercial steamer than the project steamer. But on the next attempt, the project steamer took advantage over the commercial steamer, since it cools down the temperature of water much lower than the water temperature in the commercial steamer. Number 2. On the last attempt of trying to boil again the water using the two steamer, results revealed that it took water to boil faster in the project steamer than with the commercial steamer, considering that the magnetite sand already trapped the heat. Number 3. In terms of production, there is more products cooked using project steamer in 30 minutes duration than the commercial steamer.
Thank you everyone everyone. This is your researcher, Gian Paulo Buensuceso from the Division of Bataan.